And it is Monday, March the 9th. And yes, I still miss you guys. I hope you had a good weekend. But yeah, without you, it's cold in here. Little Jenny and Johnny, they don't, sorry, cute little Jenny and little Johnny, they don't generate the body heat that you guys do. I don't get the biosphere making the atmosphere. And Jake and Jackie, they're still standing over there. They haven't actually joined the group yet. They're on the side. They're always afraid of blocking you guys. Okay, that being said, for Monday, March the 9th, just going to go through a few things. If you haven't written that math test, it's time to write the math test. And let's get through there. But I am keeping track of a distance learning thing here. And there it is. Basically, the A means that you've done some action. All we expect right now is that you just try your best. So if you're getting the A's and stuff, that's great. You're trying your best. And then when we don't get a lot of A's, then I try to reteach that part, or we're going to try to find out that you're getting our information. Maybe you're having some problems at home. And so the school is probably going to be in touch with you to see what's happening. But I can see that most of you are actually taking action and trying your best to make this distance learning work. Well done. We did a good job on the first 3 days. Okay, that being said, for this week, or for Monday, we're looking at math, and again, we linked that. We'll be starting chapter 11, and a little bit of a break from the fractions. Just a reminder, you don't need to use fractions to add and subtract decimals. You can just add and subtract them the way the video shows you. And I attached the video for that. Those people in the fast track, they're going to move on to lesson 3 and 4 already. In science, at 10:30 today, we're going to do a Kahoot. So hopefully you're at home. You need an iPad or an iPhone. I don't know if it works on computer. And we're going to just log you in. I'll put the number and I'll email you the number at 10:30. And then you'll have 5 minutes to get your name in there, because I won't be able to find out whether you're coming in or not. And I'll have it up here on the screen, and we'll see how it works. And hopefully, hopefully you get a good science review. Then we're going to probably work on the lesson game for chapter 2, lesson 3. In writing, that flash draft should be done. You should have 3 good paragraphs. Each paragraph should have 3 or 4 sentences to support what your argument is. Maybe 2 or 3 sentences would be good. And yes, Jenny.
Yeah, Mr. Stang, you always say, when a writer says, when you're done, you just begun. So we can add more, right?
Okay, that's right. Writers always say, when you're done, you've just begun. That's a writer saying. You guys are writers, and that's what we do. We write it, and then we start making lots of improvisations. And so we'll learn about that a little bit later today. In WOW, your notebook should be done, and you should be ready to take the test. Tomorrow, we're going to have the WOW test, and I'll send that to you tomorrow. And also, you get to self-assess. I'm not going to expect you to take pictures of your notebook and the pages. It's just too much for you, and probably more too much for me, because by the time I see all your pictures, yeah, time expires. Okay, so make sure you get a 10-point notebook. And in social studies, I'm going to do a chart similar to what we did in science, but you'll just be able to keep adding points to it. And we're going to decide what are the loyalists' main arguments and what are the patriots' main arguments. And that's all we'll have to go on right now. And all of you will be able to do that. Anyway, we'll have a social studies video about that. Okay, welcome back.